This video is going to introduce progressive billing, a plugin of AutoCount accounting. Let's start the topic. After done, install plugin at Plugin Manager. You need to make sure you have project in your account book, general maintenance, then project maintenance. Click New Sub-Project to create a new sub-project under a top-level project. A project maintenance window will pop up. You are able to fill up code and descriptions for the new sub-project. Click Plugin Administrator Setup under Freely Plugins to set up retention claim. Inside the plugin setup, you are able to set the progress claim description, retention accounts, and GST code. Proceed to Progressive Profile under Freely Plugins to create a profile for progressive billing. Click Create a new progressive profile. It will prompt out a creation pop-up. Inside the pop-up, you are able to select the sub-project, progressive type, and source type, and key in description, retention %, max claim %, retention opening, and retention claim opening. Click Save once is done. Click Sale Order under Sales to proceed progressive billing. Click New to create a new sales order. Select the debtor and add in the item. Bear in mind to select the project code and tick the progressive billing at the user-defined field before save. Once completed, create sales order. Click Progressive Claim under Freely Plugins. Click Create a new progressive claim. A new interface will pop up. Select the debtor and click Generate Claim. Compute Progressive Claim interface will pop up. Select the project and click on the white space to load the sales order. You are able to key in the exact amount or % are getting paid. After done progressive claim, click Invoice under Sales. Create a new invoice by clicking the New. Select the debtor and click on Transfer from Progressive Claim. Select the progressive claim and apply to the invoice. Click Save once is done. Okay, now is the second type of progressive, item billing. First, you need to make sure you have create a progressive profile for item billing. Create a new sales order by clicking Sales Order under Sales. Click the New to create a new sales order. Select the debtor and add the item. Don't forget to select the project in Progressive Profile and tick the Progress Billing in User-Defined field. Once done, create the sales order. Click Invoice under Sales. Click on New to create a new invoice. Select the debtor and click Progressive Billing. Compute Progressive Claim will pop up. Select the project and click on the white space to load the sales orders. You can key in the amount or % are paid. Click Apply once it's done. In the invoice, you will see the item code. Click Save to complete the creation. Now is the last type of progressive, document billing. Before start, make sure that you have create a progressive profile for document billing. Look for Sales Order under Sales to create a new sales order. Click New to create a sales order. Select the debtor and add item. Same as before, add project number and tick Progress Billing User-Defined field. Click Save once it's done. Normally, you can proceed to progressive claim or invoice, but for document billing, you can add more sales order. After done, create sales order. Look for Invoice under Sales. Click New to create a new invoice. Select the debtor and click Progressive Billing. Compute Progressive Claim will prompt up. Select the project and click on the white section to load the project. You are able to key in the amount or % are getting paid. Click Apply once it's completed. You are able to see the sales order number in the description. Click Save to complete the creation. Okay, the different types of progressive billing is done. Now is retention claim. Search for retention claim under Freely Plugins. Retention Comeback interface will pop up. Select the project code and debtor code and need to do the retention comeback. Once filled up, click Inquiry to get the document, and click Generate for to create an invoice. The generated invoice will pop up and click Save to create the invoice for the retention claim. Once done, you can see the generated invoice is added in your invoice under Sales. Lastly, Report. There are two types of report for progressive billing. Click Progressive Report under Freely plugin, a pop-up will show up. You can filter by project or date. Then, click on Inquiry, to show all the projects that have used progressive billing. Click on Preview to preview. Report and design report to design the report based on your own needs. Click Progressive Claim Listing Report under Freely Plug Insurance. Progressive Claim Listing Report will pop up. You can filter by date, project, debtor and project document number. Click on Inquiry to get the documents. Preview is to see the document in report form and design report is to design the report to fill up the requirement.